This is Abid Hussain Malik from Abid Financials. Welcome to our YouTube channel Abid Financials. Today we are going to discuss
USPS 955 electrical.
and I shall go through all questions with correct answers. I shall read each and every question and give you the best possible correct answers. Let's move on later.
Section, and this is assessment test 2026, and I am going to discuss practice questions. Question number 1: if current goes down, what does resistance do, assuming voltage is constant? Option A: resistance goes down. B: resistance goes up. C: resistance stays same, and resistance becomes zero. The correct option is option B: resistance goes up. Question number 2: state OHM's laws. Option A: P is equal to V into I, V is equal to I into R, and I is equal to P into R, and B is equal to P multiplied by R. Correct option is option B: V is equal to I multiplied by R. Question number 3: what is definition of short circuit? Option A: very high resistance in circuit. Option B: zero resistance. Circuit has high current and zero resistance. And option C: open circuit with no current flows. Option C: open circuit with no current flow. And option D: low voltage with normal current. Correct option is option B: zero resistance. Circuits has high current and zero resistance. Question number 4: if voltage is constant and resistance goes down, what must current do? Option A: current goes down, current stays same, and current has to go up, and the current becomes zero. The correct option is current has to go up. Question number 5: what would cause current to decrease in a circuit if voltage remained constant? Option A: decrease in resistance, increase in resistance. C is short circuit. D is increase in voltage. Correct option is increase in resistance. Option B is correct answer. Question number 6: what is the transformer? A device that stores electrical energy, and an electrical device that transfer energy from one electrical circuit to another magnetic couples. Option C: a device that convert AC to DC, and option D: a device that increase the current only. The correct option is option B: an electrical device that transfer energy from one electrical circuit to another magnetic coupling. Question number 7: state the power formula. P is equal to V slash I, P is equal to V multiplied by I, P is equal to I divided by R, P is equal to R multiplied by V. Correct option is option B: P is equal to V multiplied by I. Question number 8: what are transformers used for? Only to increase voltage, B to convert between high and low voltage, and D convert DC to AC, and D to store electrical power. The correct option is option B: convert between high and low voltage and for impedance transformation. Question number 9: what are air core transformers mainly used for? Option A: low frequency power distribution, and B: radio frequency circuit above 20 kV and audio frequency application, and D is household power supply. Correct option is B: radio frequency circuit above 20 kilohertz. Question number 10: what are iron core transformer mainly used for? High frequency radio circuit, B: low frequency applications such as power supply, and C is microwave circuit, and D is very high voltage. Correct option is B. Low frequency applications such as power supply, audio frequency, 50 or 60 hertz power distribution. So that's all for today. We have completed our 955 questions. Please subscribe my channel, and if you want to watch more videos, please follow my channel Abid Financial. Share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. That's all for today. Please visit my channel Abid Financials, and where you can go for the playlist, and here you will find a lot of videos. This is a playlist, and these playlist of level 3 target and CBS forms, and level 2 questions, and QuickBooks level 2 certifications, and Walmart. All these information you can find here. I have also created the videos regarding QuickBooks level 1, level 2 exam answer and their study materials. You may also learn the QuickBooks training. This is my YouTube channel, and I help the people to grow their businesses. Please attach with my YouTube channel, and you can learn for more. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.